Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Hollywood, also known as the Guitar Hotel, due to its tower constructed to resemble a Gibson Les Paul guitar, is a hotel and casino resort near Hollywood, Florida, United States, located on 100 acres of the Hollywood Reservation of the Seminole Tribe of Florida. The property currently has 3 hotel towers, a 140,000 square feet casino, a large poker room, a 4-acre lagoon-style pool facility with a center bar, many private restaurants, shops, a spa, cabanas, bars and nightclubs, and the Hard Rock Event Center. Large expansion was completed in October 2019. Construction work in progress. December 2018. The resort currently has a 12-story, classic Hard Rock hotel, with 469 guest rooms and suites. Guests are greeted by a 15 meters tall signature Hard Rock guitar, based on a Gibson electric guitar model, at the entrance of the hotel, along with a massive LED advertising screen at the front of the main parking garage. The resort has 120,000 square feet of meeting space, including a 38,000 square foot exhibit hall. The Hard Rock's $1.3 billion property expansion project added a 450-foot tower designed to appear as a pair of guitars, back-to-back, with lights providing the imagery of guitar strings and 638 rooms alongside a 7-story, 168-room Oasis Tower, overlooking the pool cabanas, all scheduled to open on October 24, 2019. Several months in advance of Super Bowl 54 being held in Miami on February 2, 2020. The expansion also included a 42,000 square foot rock spa and over 20 new dining and nightlife destinations. Between the existing 12-story hotel, the new Guitar Hotel, and the new Oasis Tower, over 1,200 hotel rooms became available in October 2019. On May 9, 2014, Seminole Chief Jim Billy announced a $100 million upgrade of the tribe's casinos, with much of that spent on the Hard Rock Hollywood location, including improved entryways, center pool bar, pool facility upgrades, updated hotel room and suite interiors, and a new restaurant. As of March 2019, the tribe's upgrade budget was significantly increased to over $2.4 billion. Split mainly between this location and the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Tampa. The current casino layout covers over 140,000 square feet, featuring slot machines and various table games including blackjack, baccarat, mini baccarat, pai gow poker, let it ride, and 3-card poker. Entertainment. Hard Rock Live. Main article. Hard Rock Live. Hard Rock Live is a 7,000-seat multi-purpose theater, which opened on October 25, 2019, with a concert by Maroon 5. The theater replaced a 5,500-seat arena, raised in March 2018 as part of the property-wide expansion of the same name, which hosted different types of events including musical acts, comedians, mixed martial arts, boxing and other smaller events, along with a residency by Billy Joel. During the construction of the new theater, events were held at the temporary 3,500-seat Hard Rock Event Center, which hosted acts including Britney Spears on her Piece of Me tour. Miss Universe 2020. Main article. Miss Universe 2020. The 69th edition of the Miss Universe competition was held on May 16, 2021. At the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, where Zozibini Tunzi of South Africa crowned her successor Andrea Meza of Mexico at the end of the event. Notable incidents. Model Anna Nicole Smith, who was staying at the resort, died in her hotel suite on February 8, 2007. An autopsy ruled her death was caused by an accidental drug overdose from prescription drugs. That is all. Subscribe and post comments for future videos.